If you clicked on this video, it means one very important thing. This very important thing already puts you ahead of 95% of the population. You want to be very successful in life and are willing to do whatever it takes to get there, no matter what. Congratulations for having big dreams and not letting society regulate your goals, life, and vision for the future. This being said, the job's not nearly finished yet. Successful people got where they are through strategical steps. You must learn these steps if you want to win. Today we are going to figure out how they learned the correct steps to take to be successful. Was reading books a significant contributing factor to their success, or was it a waste of time? This is a key question we are going to be answering in today's video. Reading books enhances your knowledge and allows you to learn from others' experiences. It gives your brain the basic information and tools to firstly formulate ideas about how to make money, as well as reading also allows you to put these ideas into practice and learn how to make smart decisions. As Robert Kiyosaki, the author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and Entrepreneur puts it, money is just an idea. If you want money in your hands, first put the idea in your head. In order to make money and become rich, you must first have ideas in your head on how to make money. And the more information and concepts that are stored in your brain, the more ideas you will be able to generate. It is not for no reason that reading is known to make you more creative, and creativity leads to riches. One of the easiest ways to add information to your brain is through reading. When your brain recalls information and conceptualizes ideas, it doesn't differentiate between your real-life experiences and the experiences that you've read about. So, reading the books frequently enough will stimulate your brain to provide you with new and unique ideas in order to make more money. Several other studies have shown that business people who are in the habit of reading at least 7 business books a year earn 2.3 times more than business people who only read 1 business book per year. From these studies, it can be deduced that the habit of the wealthy to read self-improvement and business books is a habit that you should implement into your life if you have big dreams and want to be rich when you're older. According to research done by Tom Corley, the author of Rich Habits, The Daily Success Habits of Wealthy Individuals, both rich people and poor people may have the habit to read frequently, but not all people become wealthy. You may ask, why is this? And the answer is very simple. There are 2 types of people who read books: those who read for entertainment and those who read for education. Assuming you want to be rich, you will be reading for education. There are also 2 types of people who read for education. This is where you really need to pay attention if you want to be successful and have a fulfilled future. Many people read educational books but never implement the knowledge that they have learned. To me, this seems very pointless, as you have spent hours reading when you could be doing other activities. You may as well implement it into your life and your business so you can receive a reward from the information you have read. This is why many successful people take notes as they read, as they can retain the information much easier, and it'll be much easier to implement the information into their lives and their businesses. Another really good way to actually receive a benefit from the books you are reading is to immediately go and implement the method and theory into your life. For example, you are reading about the positive impacts of working out on your brain. After you finish reading, go straight into a workout and it will be much easier for you to turn the ideas from the books into habits in your life. I truly hope you have learned how important it is to implement what you have learned from the reading into your life. As if you do not follow through on the information you have learned, you have simply wasted your time reading that book. It is clear from our research that if you want to be extremely successful and wealthy, you must read books and implement the knowledge learned in them. This, however, does not mean you need to read a whole book every day or even every week. It is important that you find a balance in your life between learning and taking action on what you have learned. This depends on how much free time you have. Whether it's 15 minutes a day or an hour, start reading books about success and building wealth, and the possibilities for your future are infinite. Before we wrap up today's video, I would like to mention that I have left our top 5 favorite books at WorldWave in the description to the video. Check out these books if you're curious about where you should start with your reading. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and make sure you never stop pushing the limits of what's possible. Have a great day.